Hey guys, welcome back. In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to use the apply operator in SQL. So in this example, I have two tables. So I have the customers tables and orders table. And if I select from it, the customers table just has two columns. So I have the customer ID and the customer name. And then I have my orders table with four columns. So I have the order ID, customer ID, order date, amount, and it just shows you like the purchase date and different orders for those customers. Okay, so what I'm gonna do first is I am gonna create a table valued function. So I'm gonna say create function dbo.getOrders. This is the name of that function, and we have already discussed how we can create different types of user-defined functions. If you want to check it out, you can check in my previous video. I'll provide the link in the description as well. But in this example, I'm just creating a basic table valued function called getOrders, and then I'm gonna pass the user ID as my input variable of type integer, and it returns a table. So what is a table value function? Is a user-defined function that returns a table. So it takes an input and it returns a table. And then I'm gonna say as return in open and close parentheses. This is where I write my script. So I'm gonna say select customer ID from my orders table. And then what I want to do is I want to see the customer ID and the amount, the total amount they spent. So I'm just gonna call it sum amount, and let's just call it total. And since I have an aggregate here, I'm just gonna group it by customer ID. Okay, so this is just gonna show you like the customer ID and the total they spent, so the total amount from orders, and then I'm grouping by customer ID. Okay, a simple query here. And then I'm just gonna filter it based on the customer ID. So I'm gonna say where customer ID equals my input variable. So at user ID. Okay, let me execute this now. Created it successfully. Now let's just select from this table valued function. So I'm gonna say select all from my user defined function or my table valued function, and then I'm gonna pass one here. So let's select all of them so we can see them side by side. So here, this is gonna give you the total spent by customer ID 1. So here you can see it's giving you 400 because that's what customer ID 1 spent. And then if I put 3, I'm gonna see 300. So let's run that too. If I do 3, I'm gonna see 300. And if I do 2, I'm gonna see just that one value, 150, because that's the only order. And if I do, let's say, something that does not exist, for example 4, I'm not going to see anything. Okay, so if I do like 1 again, it's going to give me a value. Now let's say if I want to join my customers table, so select all from customers. I'm going to give it an alias. I'm going to call it C inner join dbo.getOrders. And here I'm just gonna pass the customer ID. So c.customer ID, and then here I can say c.customer ID equals, if I give it an alias, let's say E, I can say e.customer ID, but this is gonna fail. This is not gonna work because we can't use a typical left or right join to join a table with a table valued function. So if you want to join a table with a table valued function, we can use the apply operator. So I can do cross apply here, and in the apply operator I don't even need this join condition. I can just leave it as is. So now if I run it, it's gonna give me values here. You see here is giving me values here. Let me actually take this out. I don't need this query. I'm just going to keep it simple. I'm going to select from customers, select from orders, and then I have this apply operator here where I'm joining this customers table with my table valued function. And here I can just say I want to get customer ID from my C table, and then my customer name, and from my E table, which is going to give you all of the columns again, I only need the amount here. This is actually total. Okay, so I'm selecting customer ID, customer name from my customers table, and from my table valued function, which I gave an alias as E, I'm just selecting the total amount. So I'm using the apply operator to join my customers table with my table valued function. So here you see for 1, the total amount was 400. So it's giving you like the total because we are passing that UDF here. For 2 is just giving you 150, and for customer ID 3 we are getting 300. But you see it's not giving you, it's not showing you customer ID 4 because we are using cross apply. Cross apply, you can say, is similar to an inner join where it's only gonna give you matches. So if you want to see all the rows from your left table, from your customers table, and only the matching values from your user defined function, we can use outer apply. So outer is similar to a left join. So now if I execute it, I'm going to see all of those previous values, plus I'm going to see 4 as well. But here I'm going to see null because there's no value returned for customer ID 4 from my UDF, from my table valued function. Okay, so we can use the apply operator to join a table with a table valued function or a table valued UDF. Okay, if you found this helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you for watching.